I've worked at Wall Street institutions for about 15 years. If the stock moves up about 1.25 times the expected move, that strongly indicates that a new rally has started. And this is a good time to buy the stock. ELTR gained 50% after an earnings breakout. How to identify candidate stocks to observe, how to determine the expected move, how to determine. Let me ask you a question. If the resistance levels are so real, why does the S&P 500 keep breaking them and keep marching higher and higher? Well, let me tell you why. Because technical analysis is complete BS. Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and Citadel never get stopped out of their trades. This is not by chance or by luck. This is because they use specialized methods of risk management to structure their trades. You can use options to make money whether a stock moves up or down. That means you don't have to worry about predicting the direction of the stock because your trade wins either way. Stocks that move in ranges like this for months tend to continue to be stuck in the range in the future as well. There is a very famous option strategy called the iron condor, which allows you to profit from exactly these situations. The iron condor variant we will build will give us full profit as long as the price stays between 350 and 490. Since the stock has struggled to rise above 490, it's safe to sell a 490 call for $855. Altogether, this options position is initiated for a credit of $1,320. Now, there are two ways to make profits on this position. The first way is to hold these options until their expiry. That will yield the maximum profit of $1,320 if the price is within our range at options expiry. But we don't have to wait all that long. In the options chain for Tesla, we can see that the column delta contains a value of 0.21 for the call strike 490. This means that there is a 21% chance that price will reach 490 at options expiry. You wonder, how do pro traders ever catch these large price moves? The answer might surprise you very much. And the answer is that many a times pro traders catch these moves not on the way up, but on the way down. This episode will reveal how exactly you can also catch and profit by trading these large downside moves as well. One trader shorted the crude oil June futures when price touched $98 a barrel and closed the position as the price crashed to $83.